My name is Sani Miriam, and I'm a member of the LFGC Arduino drone group, and I'm here to show our presentation. A drone is a flying object that is controlled by a pilot. The pilot uses the transmitter or remote control to operate the drone. The drone consists of many parts that contribute to the working force of the whole drone. The drone is lifted by its propellers. We have 4 propellers on the drone. The propellers are protected by the protector. The protector protects it during collisions to prevent damage to the propellers. The propellers functions using the motor, which is right beneath the propeller. They contribute to the motions either clockwise or counterclockwise. Then we have the battery, which powers the drone. Then we have our camera, which is used for surveillance when the drone is in flight. Then we have our stand, which is used for landing the drone. Now, for the operations of the drone, we have our hardware, our software, and our code used to operate the drone. The hardware is what you see right now. Then our software. To operate our software, we have numerous circuit boards which are used to operate the movements of the drone. Our main circuit board used was the Arduino Uno board, which operated as the motherboard for the movements and controls of the drone. We have an Arduino Uno board in both the controller and the drone as well. We inputted codes into the Arduino Uno board using the Arduino IDE, meaning Arduino Integrated Development Environment. It consists of codes that we use in controlling the drone and in sending inputs from the controller to the drone. The drone has an ESC, meaning Electronic Security Control, which controls how fast or how slow the propellers move. The drone is a very versatile object, as it can be used for various things. It can be used for surveillance and security. In most shows we see nowadays or in movies, cameramen cannot go up to the sky, so drones are used to take videos from high places. It can also be used as security cameras or can be used in the military to spy on other countries.
What are your aspirations? What do you want this to be reaching?
To fly up to higher heights.